Hello everyone. Today I am presenting the process one of the acknowledgement 6, an explanation of the description of the home convention transformation and market AI. Focus on the dimension process of the Hogan results, a transform function message which is taking this is the surface because of the recent opposition. It is hoped this or traveling current setting by setting direct meeting station. Everyone can measure the combination of the situation. This is when is going into the focal section, citations. This is first, this is the core from the dimension of this is the home dimensions. This is the formation. Mark says the AI. This is the second is and into this bracket think editor makes. In debugging, ripping, and the transition cases, this is trusted the systems derivation set of the matrix marking that says six matrices. For the following, this is the order we will as they will see into it is parse set by parse set. First, it is the first part. This is the colon formula. This is of this the home game os. This is the formation. Makes as is AI point RZ y TZ D TXA RX alpha. This is second is who is the forcing of the us is the basis for the everything is yours. And simply part this is the formula say this is a home game these are the transformation bonding between different companies the system sharp this is part of the for the box the chart is a foundation actually a travel the forward translates are realized about this is ZX this is grown along the ZX integration along this is XX and says about this XX next we will first represent series the full box. This is formation matrix on by one. For formation rotation matrix about this is the ZMX RZ5. This is the marketing device. This is the functions reset when the combinator system is this is by on this is file about the our the ZX is. It is most is the form is as so on the seven. This is first the right is the cosine phi full sin phi 0 0. The second right is sin phi cosine phi 0 0. This is royal is 0 0 1 0. And this is the photo that is 0 0 0 1. It is important too. And that this is the core of the iteration. The marketing is 2 and reflected this is one form of the things on the camera the charts this is transit the fractions and the function around always reversing 0 0 0 1 which is the function currencies of the home games as mechanics. Next, this is translation. Max is along. This is JX TGD. This is fourth of this is person. Max is more the literature system of this. This is 1 plus 1, 0, 0, second 0, 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1D. 4, 0, 0, 0, 1. And this is Marxism is easy to understand. Only this is correct this the Z X dimension where the high of the D, which is the currency is in other dimensions regards uncharged. Next is chapter next along this is x then order as txa similar to this is the transformation mouse is a along this is 0 zx. Here, there's the three is armored along this is x this is in the mercy form. This is main devotee is image other one, and the only this is immersed in their first run, and first creation is a. In this XS, the rest is by under the about amount of the A, which is called it means is other diversion rims and things. Finally, finally, this is of this is Martial about this X is the dimension of all X alpha. It's a diversity this is a term form is this is wrong is C term when this by agreeing alpha about this is X. Um, first point is 1 0 0 0, second 0 cosine alpha for the same sin alpha 0 0 sin alpha cosine alpha 0 4 and 0 0 0 1. It is right is a range of this the axis on the y axis and z axis combine these troubles called cosine alpha and sin alpha, which is x coordinates and folded by the rotations. After parent is 4, which is the 4 parent maze where is porting to this is called device seat. SIP. SIP. This is first SIP is the coordinate is RZ5 TZD, which is the person of the rotation motion about this is ZX and this is the translation moves along the ZX. The regulation is follows this part is runs also makes this motivation roll by column Summerson, Summerson. This key of this is simple is to understand this is coding everything of the right under the technician within the SIM command system. And step 2, which is granting this is part of this is ROM form this first step and this XX the transition motion is TX A RZ TZ and TXC. This is voice nice disabled XX technician perform the when in the reticular common sim. So this is a transparency amenable to be common in the mission, which is the wrong thing of the egg. Step 3, complex is a part of the form segment 2, and the acceleration makes it Rx alpha equal RZ TZ X TX Rx alpha. This is the course of a step. It's a mega. This is direction, because and the region. This is the translation complex. Courage must be traced according to the how this is person and admission, substitution, or petitions of the races may cause for consideration of the single of these. After this cycle of the missing which is voted for the of homogeneous the transformation among the AI, it is must from is follows on this is the same. This first lot is cosine phi, who sin phi, cosine alpha, sin phi, plus the sin alpha a cos phi. This is second result. This is C plus A separated in the front direction. And for the combo, this is first this is loss direction. This is passing to the C series as is a common remission application for community system derivation. This is called this versus this is a homogeneous transient machine matrix AI for this is simplification. Thank you every for every using. Thank you very much.